For almost 4 decades, without any specialized prevention and treatment strategies, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease has been constantly increasing, affecting more than a quarter of the world's population and up to 38% Indian population. To reduce the public health burden of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, people are frequently advised to prefer high carbohydrate, low fat diets and exercise. Also, ICMR NIH's food guide pyramid prioritizes high carbohydrate, moderate protein and low fat diets. However, the research that we conducted at Public Health India unfolds something different than the conventional understanding of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Our research paper is published in an European journal. This research paper is based on the growing bodies of empirical evidence. Our research paper argues that high carbohydrate, low fat diets may not be the best options because when compared to the other nutrients, excessive carbohydrate consumption may be particularly damaging to the liver, with excess being converted into fat via de novo lipogenesis. Additionally, sugary carbohydrates may be particularly detrimental because majority of the fructose consumed by an individual can only be metabolized by the liver. There are mounting pieces of evidence suggesting that low carbohydrate diets allow your body to use its own fat and hence can significantly decrease the liver fat and may also reverse the disease. Our research paper powered by Public Health India represents a rich vein of research opportunities, encourages researchers, doctors, nutritionists, dietitians and related health professionals to ingrain more engagements towards low carbohydrate diets. If you are diagnosed with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, you can reach out to Public Health India for professional guidance.